Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how to stop participants from starting a Zoom meeting before the host, both while scheduling a new meeting and for meetings already scheduled. First, during scheduling a new meeting, open the Zoom desktop app and sign in. Click on schedule. Fill in your meeting details like topic, date and time. Then scroll down and click on advanced. Uncheck the box allow participants to join anytime and click save. Now participants can only join after you, the host, start the meeting. And now I will show you how to stop participants from starting a Zoom meeting before the host for meetings already scheduled. So open the Zoom desktop app and go to the meeting. Select your scheduled meeting from the list. Click on three dots and select edit. Now scroll down and click on advanced. Uncheck allow participants to join anytime and click save. This will update your meeting. Participant cannot start it before you. You have stopped participants from starting your Zoom meeting before you. If this helped you, hit the like and subscribe for more quick Zoom tips. Thanks for watching.